Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this short video, I'm gonna teach you how to move your taskbar from the center to the left of your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. At the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go for settings. Okay? Or you can simply press Windows and I key together in your keyboard to run your settings. Once you have bring up your settings, proceed to the left side of it and here under the list of the options, look for personalization. Okay, so I can see here next to network and internet. Tap it to continue and here at the personalization settings, scroll down and you need to look for taskbar. Once you found it, click this forward arrow to continue. Okay, so the moment you have successfully opened your taskbar settings or options, scroll down and look for taskbar behaviors, which is next to other system tray icons. And here, the taskbar behaviors, it contains a taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. Simply click this down arrow to see more of this. And here, at the very first one, it has this taskbar alignment, which what we are looking for. Aligning dot, it has this option. Click this down arrow and go with left. So in that manner, you have just successfully dislocate or moved your taskbar from the center to the left. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.